Hello, this is Martin from Tony Realty. Today, I'm going to introduce a house for rent called Humphreys Landing, which is within a complex that has a wonderful community. Okay, before I start, let me give you some brief information of this house. It's 10 minutes drive away from the gate of the camp. It has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and the size of 1,317 square feet. The monthly rental fee of this house is approximately 1,500,000 won. Okay, now, shall we start? Before I show you a house, let me explain about the community of this village briefly. Within the complex, there is a clubhouse for residents. It consists of 2 different floors. First floor is for an office and a gym, and second floor is for a multi-purpose lounge. In addition, there are a swimming pool and a pathway around the building. Okay, let's have a look. What a gorgeous exterior. That's amazing. Yes, that is the clubhouse. It is a swimming pool. For summer season, it is really wonderful, especially at night. This is a pathway behind the building. Take a walk, feeling the breath of nature. This gym is furnished with diverse fitness equipment and even quite spacious. Okay, this is the second floor. Wow, here is a pool table. That's awesome. And of course, there should be a restroom. This restroom is always kept well and clean. In this hallway, there are more sinks and toilets. This space is mainly used as an event hall or seminar room. It's a very elegant and refined space. Also, there is a balcony for smokers, or you can have barbecue here. Okay, now let's move to look around the house. All the houses within this complex are actually quite Americanized compared to the other houses in Korea. This living room is a bit small but cozy, so you can feel very comfortable. Especially the electric fireplace under the TV is really impressive. This kitchen doesn't have a small space. It has cabinet with plenty of storage space and most of the required appliances such as an oven and a dishwasher. In my opinion, it gives an impression that it is independent from the living room. Okay, this is a private garage. It's definitely one of the best parts of this house. That is why I said it is an Americanized house. Okay, let me go outside. To be honest, I can't say it is a big house, but it has everything. See, it even has such a nice fenced backyard. This place is quite enough to raise your pets or have barbecue. Now I will show you a bathroom. This bathroom is not big but has a great structure with luxurious design. And there is even a storage. That is an absolutely efficient use of space. Okay, first floor is over. Let's go upstairs. Oh, here are a washer and a dryer. I think it is a good idea to keep them in the closet because it doesn't occupy much space. Here is the master bedroom with its own bathroom. Also, it has a fine size and a closet. This bathroom is so nice, luxurious as the previous one, and even has larger space. What else should it have more? Nothing, because it already has everything including a nice bathtub and 2 sinks. Okay, let me show another bedroom. This bedroom is also good. Now, did you find some features of this house? First, every single window has shutters unlike other Korean houses that normally have curtains or blinds, and the AC is equipped in every single room. Okay, we finally finished looking around the entire house. How was it? Overall, this is an absolutely cozy house. There are several points which claim our attention. First, it has a great structure that utilizes the space very efficiently. Second, it intends to be constructed as an Americanized house. Lastly, it has everything even though it's not a large house. Today, I introduced a house for rent called Humphreys Landing, and it was Martin from Tony Realty. I'm coming back with another great house next time. Please contact me so that I can help you find the most appropriate house for you. Thank you for watching.